In this video, we're going to be talking about OneDrive and give you guys a small crash course on what it is and how it's used. Now, you may have never heard of it before or known exactly what it's used for, or you may already be familiar with it and just need a refresher. Regardless of your level, we're going to be going over the basics to make sure you're covered. Let's get to it. Hey everyone, it's Cameron Schroyer here, lead trainer with First Column IT, handling technology so your business can thrive. So what is OneDrive? Well, in a nutshell, it's Microsoft's cloud-based storage application. It's a way to keep your files that are normally stored on your local computer to always back up to the cloud using your organizational Microsoft account. This means that as long as you store your files in your desktop, documents, or pictures folders, they will automatically back up with OneDrive. Let's go ahead and take a look to see what that looks like. So here I am on my desktop, and as you can see, there's this blue cloud icon in the task tray, located in the bottom right-hand portion of the screen. This is the OneDrive app that's always running on your computer in the background. If you click on it, it'll show you a history of items that have recently been changed or uploaded through it. You'll also notice a few options in this menu. If you click on Open Folder, it'll show you what files you're syncing through your OneDrive folder on your local computer. As you can see, it's already syncing everything I have made in my desktop, documents, and pictures folders. So as long as I save whatever I'm working on into one of these folders, they'll automatically synchronize through OneDrive. Just make sure if you happen to download something that's important, you'll want to move it into one of those three folders. Typically, your downloads folder won't be synchronizing with OneDrive. Same goes with anything you store in your music or videos folders. Here's an example of how the synchronization works. I'm going to make a test file on my desktop here. You'll notice that as soon as I create it, it'll already start syncing into OneDrive. I go to put some work into this file, and with each change I make to it, it'll automatically back up. Now let's say if something happens to my computer, like it gets lost, stolen, damaged, whatever fate decides to do with it. If I were to get onto another computer, I could simply log into my Microsoft account and access OneDrive through there. Alternatively, if my computer is okay, I can still view the same files in the same portal using the View Online button in the OneDrive menu. If you go to My Files, you'll see that in the desktop folder, there's the test document I just created. This is especially useful if I am using a different computer to access my files or need to make adjustments to them on the fly. If there are any files that I've recently deleted, I can use the recycle bin to see which ones those are and restore them. Once they're restored, they're placed right back to where they were. Or if I don't need them at all, I can delete them forever. There's some other neat things you can do with OneDrive. If you right-click on a file, you can see a couple of options under the OneDrive menu. You can share your files either by email or by copying a link directly to a person or group of people, either within your organization or outside, depending on your organization's policies. You can click the eye icon to adjust their permission level to it. If you copy a link for it, it makes it shareable with whoever you set within the link settings. Again, you can adjust permissions here as well. If you want to know who has what kind of access to a file, You can manage access from here too. If you want to stop sharing, you can click the Stop Sharing link, and this will break everyone's connection to it. If you want to view it online, you have that option as well. And then there's version history, where I can go back in time with the file I was working on and restore a version of that file in case I made a mistake and need to go back. As you can see, OneDrive is a really useful resource to make sure that your file stays safe, secure, and can go with you wherever you go. Hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@firstcolumn.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.